Okay, this is a short video on my GE dishwasher, and there's the model of it and stuff. A couple of maintenance things. This unit has a filter in it. You roll out the lower rack, obviously, and twist this thing, and the screen gets all gunky, and you wash it off and put it back in there and turn it a quarter turn or whatever. That's pretty obvious. The other thing is these racks on the side here. There's a screw in here that goes through into the housing. Those get loosened and then your racks fall off. And the way to deal with that is a Torx. It looks like a star, and it's a size 15, and it goes in through a little hole there. Got to line them up and basically just tighten that bracket close to the wall, and then the same thing happens. Those screws into the housing loosen for this upper rack, and there's a small nut on the upper rack that you got to tighten up. Those aren't a Torx, they are a socket, and I don't know, friggin' size. Oh, they're I think they're 1/4. Cheers.